Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models, and welcome to issue 114. Yes, of building the Ecto-1. We've still got that we're not doing anything with. I shall put that aside because we're not using that now at all. We've got our side shiny strip panels to fit to the car, which I'll do in a bit. But first of all, we're going to start with putting the number plate onto here. Will it go either way up, or do I need to make sure it only goes the right way around? That's going to be on the top, isn't it? That's going to go that way up, I think. Oh, that's the bottom. It actually goes that way up, so I got it the wrong way up. So that goes on there that way round. Should just locate into there, like so. We've got the BM screws, which will hold that in place. I've dug out, back from issue 3, 110 weeks ago, 2 years, the steering wheel, which we will be assembling. We've got a replacement. That bit apparently wasn't good, so we get rid of that. We've got a new one, which we'll be putting together with the steering wheel. And then finally attaching the steering wheel to the undercarriage of the car. Now that bit I'm not going to do on camera because the undercarriage of the car is one of the hugeness of huge things, and getting it onto the bench is a right pain just for putting that in place. It's not worthwhile. So I shall build it behind the scenes, and you just have to trust me. If it proves to be a problem, then I'll obviously let you know and sort it out. But I'm expecting it to be no trouble at all. I don't think... Is there even a... Yes, one DM screw holds it in place. So it's not going to be tricky. That's that bit done. For that we need a single IM screw to hold that in there, which is one I've got there for it. So that holds that on the top. They'll go on the side. I'll sort them out in a minute. These two bits go together like that, and then the steering wheel fits in it like that onto the post, and then that goes over the front of it once I put the screw in place. So I shall get that done. I'll get rid of that. I've looked at why it's different. The only thing I can see is this one's actually got a couple of flat sides to it, whereas this one is just round. So it must be the way it keys into something, because it certainly keys into there a little bit, but not much. I can't see that would make them replace it all. So I'll get that on there, and then we'll see about getting these attached to the top frame. Alright, so the rear bumper piece goes in place there like that. A single screw goes through to hold that in place. I won't do that because I've only got one hand at the moment. These nice shiny pieces will be going on the sides, and they just hold in place with... That's that one. No, it's the other side, but there we go. Let's grab the right side or the left side, whichever way you want to look at it. They will go just in there like that. Apologies, I know you can't see very well what's happening there, but I need to get the wires out the way, make sure the wires are tracked in the right places. Then that will sit in there like that, and the one on the other side will do the same. If I can get the screws lined up and the screw holes lined up and everything else. Basically like that, because there's a middle piece there that just sort of lines up in there. So that's got to go there. I'll get the screws in there, same on the other side, get that one on there, and then I think this top frame is basically done. So I shall get that assembled and be ready for the next delivery, which I think is starting the roof rack. So thank you very much for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.